Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be washing and styling my hair using my Terra Veda Organix products. Stay tuned. So I'm starting off with the Curl Bath Shampoo, which is made with avocado oil, grapefruit, and cucumber extracts. This shampoo is curl defining and hydrating. I absolutely love the amazing lather on this shampoo, and it leaves your hair feeling clean and moisturized. And literally, this shampoo is definitely curl defining. Amazing. Next up, I'm going in with the Curl Bath Conditioner, which is made with avocado oil, grapefruit, and lemongrass extracts. This Curl Bath Conditioner is also curl defining and hydrating. This conditioner has a nice amount of slip, very moisturizing, and this Curl Bath Shampoo and Conditioner, this combo, you guys, is amazing. This duo will cleanse your hair, moisturize your hair, and leave your curls popping as if you have styled your hair. Definitely a must-have. Now that my hair is cleansed, I'm going into style, and I'm going to be starting off with the Curl Love Moisturizing Styler. I absolutely love this styler. It's very creamy, moisturizing, and it is a great base for any style. So I decided to use my curl formers. This is going to be my second time using these. I'll link the previous video up above. But for styling, I am going in with my Terra Veda Organix Fresh Whip Styling Foam. This foam has a soft to medium hold, it defines curls, has frizz control, and it also provides a nice amount of volume. This foam is so bomb. Okay, so now that the curl formers are all in, I am going to sit under my hooded dryer for about 30 minutes and then I'll let the rest air dry overnight. So here we are the next day, ready for the takedown, praying that this comes out good, and let's see. My curls are so shiny, bouncy, and moisturized. Give you a little quick 360. I don't think that's enough. I'm gonna slow it down for you guys. Yes, curls. So here's my final look. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.